Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you a junk journal page idea, or a folded page that can also go inside a mini album, or it can be a mini album in itself. So what you need is a 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock, and we're going to score it at 6 inches, and then we're going to turn it 90 degrees and score it at 3.5 and 9.5. This is a really easy idea to do, and like I said, it can be really functional. It can be an idea for a lot of things. This can be an insert to a mini album, it can be a mini album page, or it can be a junk journal page, or it can be a card. So you can make it as you want. So we're going to fold on the 3 score lines that we did. I always like to use a bone folder, you know that. So now we need to do some cutting. So bring your scissors, and we're going to cut along the 6-inch line that we scored from the edge until it meets the vertical score line. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So from the edge until the score line. This is all the scoring and all the cutting that we're going to do. Like I said, it's a really easy project. Now you take your paper, you take the corners, and you fold them towards the score line to form little triangles. And then you do the exact same thing on the other side. Take the corner, aligning it with the score line to create a triangle. Basically, both sides are identical. So now we are going to take our paper and then fold it to the inside, all the edges to the inside, like this. And then we need to secure the paper with a little bit of glue. So liquid glue or double-sided tape, doesn't really matter. So you secure both sides, and this is basically ready. Fold it outside like this, and now you have one pocket in the front and one pocket in the back. Now the idea is, if you take the left edge where it's opened, this is a piece of paper just to show you how the pocket works. So if you take the left side here and close it with some glue, then you get another third pocket on the top. So you can make a few of those and bind them into a mini album, or you can just glue them together to create that pocket and make it into an insert in a larger scrapbook page or inside an a junk journal, sorry. So this is a really fun and easy project to do. I really hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.